Naomi Home presents the Chicago Luxury Theater Sofa Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. To get started, connect the left and right corner chair bases onto the center chair base. Next, attach a backrest onto each chair base. Attach the fastening strip of each chair base. Now, slide the left corner side piece onto the left backrest. Then slide the right corner side piece onto the right backrest. Finally, we are going to connect all the cables. Start by connecting the LED light cables in the front. On the back, you will connect 4 cables. Start by connecting the short end of your Y cable to the plug cable. Once connected, secure them in place with the plug cable's lock. Before connecting the Y cable to the back of the chair bases, make sure to remove the lock paste just as shown. Next, connect the Y cable onto the left chair base. Connect the short plug cable to the center chair base. For this assembly, do not remove the lock on the long end of the Y cable. It will be used to secure the Y cable to the center chair base. Connect the longer plug cable to the right chair base. Make sure that your cable setup looks as follows. Before finishing off, let us take a look at the control panels. On the sides of your chair base, you will find the buttons to recline. Press the front button to adjust to your desired position and the back button to change back into a chair. A USB port and a Type-C port can also be found. This button is for turning on and off the LED lights. You can also press the red button in the included remote to turn on and off the LED lights. The color selected can be changed by pressing the color buttons. The brightness intensity can be adjusted with these 2 buttons. The demo button starts a flashing sequence, which can be changed by selecting a mode with the mode buttons. And the frequency can be adjusted by using the speed buttons. You can find 2 more USB ports and 2 outlets by expanding the center chair base. You also have a storage pocket, 2 adjustable lights, a magnetic charger, and 2 cup holders. The left and right headrest can be adjusted to your preference. Each arm contains a storage compartment where you will find the attachable tray that connects onto your chair base. Just attach the stand onto the tray by turning clockwise. Then gently attach it on your chair base. And there you have it. Your luxury theater sofa is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.